Avata 2 in manual mode, so I'm gonna learn how to do that. Hopefully my dog here, I don't know if you can see Bo, doesn't attack the drone, but let's get this set up and let's go from there. All right, now we're back. I'm sorry about that. I was looking for the sticks for the controller. I dropped the controller the other day and they must have popped out of the little holders there. But I found them. Let's get them into the controller here and we're gonna fly manually. Let's get this on here, get this turned on. All right, here we go.